If you want copyright-free music for your YouTube videos but don't know how to download it as MP3, this video will help you. I'll show you an easy and safe way to download music from the YouTube audio library step by step. It only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, make sure you open YouTube on a browser, then log into your account. Once you've done that, click on your profile in the top right here, so you can go to YouTube Studio here. On the left side, scroll down and go to Audio Library here. There are many options here that you can choose from. You can try them by just clicking here until you find the one that you want to download. Then to download it, you're just gonna go here and click on download. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.